Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this short video, I'm going to show you how to enable full screen incoming call notification on iPhone in iOS 14. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, first we have to go to settings. Under settings, scroll down, find and tap on phones. And under phones we have to tap on incoming calls. Under incoming calls we have to select full screen. After selecting the full screen, quit the setting menu. That's it. Friends, now you all know how to enable full screen call notification in iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.